Today I'm going to show you how to find discriminant.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to find the discriminant. Discriminant can be obtained from your quadratic formula. X is negative b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And inside the square root we have b squared minus 4ac. And that is the discriminant. And the symbol is the triangle. What does it do? It gives you the number of solutions of the quadratic function, or which is same as number of x-intercepts. So first case is when your discriminant b squared minus 4ac is a positive value. If it's positive, you will have your solutions for your x will be negative b plus root discriminant over 2a, or negative b minus root discriminant over 2a. When the discriminant is positive, you can still use plus minus as plus or minus, since square root discriminant is a real value. Therefore, if your discriminant is positive, you will have two solutions, which means two x-intercepts. And on your graph, it'll look like this. It will cross the x-axis twice. Second case is when your discriminant b squared minus 4ac is 0. So if your discriminant is 0, your solution for x will be negative b plus root 0 over 2a, or negative b minus root 0 over 2a. But plus 0 and minus 0 is the same value, which is just 0. So your solution will just be negative b over 2a, which is only one solution. So in your graph, it'll look like this. Your parabola will just touch the x-axis. The last case is when your discriminant is negative. So from quadratic formula, x is negative b plus minus root discriminant over 2a. But as I mentioned before, inside the square root, we can't have negative value. That's called non-real value. So that's invalid. So if discriminant is negative, you're not gonna have solution. And on your graph, it'll look like this. Your graph will float. It's not gonna touch your x-axis. And now let's use this fact to find how many solutions each quadratic equations have. Example 1. Y equals x squared minus 2x plus 5. So your a is 1, b is negative 2, c is 5. Your discriminant is again b squared minus 4ac. Substitute all your values, it'll be negative 2 squared minus 4 times by 1 times by 5, which is 4 minus 20, which is negative 16. It doesn't matter how big or small your value is, the important thing is it positive or negative? Negative 16 is obviously negative. So since discriminant is negative, you're not going to have solution, which means you're not going to have any x-intercept. Example 2, we have y equals negative 2x squared plus 7x minus 1. Your a value is negative 2, b is 7, c is negative 1. So your discriminant b squared minus 4ac will be c 7 squared minus 4 times by negative 2 times by negative 1, which is 49 minus 8, which is 41. And since this is positive value, you're going to have two solutions, which means two x-intercepts. On to our last example, we have y equals x squared minus 4x plus 4. A is 1, b is negative 4, c is 4. So discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, which is negative 4 squared minus 4 times by 1 times by 4, which is 16 minus 16, which is 0. Since your discriminant is 0, you're only going to have one solution, which means one x-intercept. So now I'll leave you guys with two questions that you guys can try yourself. Question 1, how many solutions does y equals negative 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 have? Question 2, how many solutions does y equals x plus 2 squared minus 1 have? If you have any questions, make sure you ask in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next quadratic videos. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching our quadratic videos today. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel for more math tips and materials. study smarter, not harder with Zach.